In ADULMS, the Define Online Test option enables the staff to add online tests for their students. The staff will be able to evaluate the student's understanding of the subject based on his or her online test performance. You are viewing the ADULMS homepage of the staff. In the staff's homepage, click on the menu icon. Expand Assessment by clicking on the Assessment option. Click on Define Online Test. This will take you to the Define Online Test screen. To select a particular batch associated with the desired program, expand the program and select the required batch. Select the desired course associated with the selected batch from the available courses in the course list. The predefined online tests are displayed, if available. To add an online test, click on Add icon, which is present on top of the screen. In this screen, enter the description in the description slot. The description can be relevant to the online test which you would like to define. For example, Algebra Online Test 1. Two checkboxes are available below the description slot. They are Randomized MCQ Options and Show Result. If the Randomized MCQ Options checkbox is checked, the options for the multiple choice questions are displayed in a randomized order. If the Show Result checkbox is checked, the student will be able to view the result after completion of the online test. The Show After Date and Time options are used to denote the date and time from which the students can view the online test. Select the Show After Date option by clicking the calendar icon, which is adjacent to the Show After Date text box. On clicking the calendar icon, the calendar is displayed in a small window. In the calendar window, you can choose the date from which the students can view the online test. The Time drop-down menu can be used to select the time. Similarly, select the Submit Before Date and Time to give a deadline for the students to attend this online test. Enter the maximum duration, in minutes, allowed to attend this test in the duration slot. Select the number of attempts from the Attempts drop-down menu. If the number of attempts selected is 3, the student can attempt this test 3 times. If any option is selected, the student can attempt this test any number of times, till the Submit Before Date and Time. For example, let us select the number of attempts as 3 for this online test. To select the topic or subtopic for which online test is to be created, click on arrowhead icon, which is adjacent to the topic slot. By clicking on the arrowhead icon, the table of contents (TOC) will be opened in a small window. Select any topic or subtopic from the TOC by clicking on the desired topic or subtopic. Enter the points for each question in the Points Per Question text box. Before entering the number of questions in the Number of Questions text box, select the questions by clicking on the selected topic or subtopic. The questions associated with the Points Per Questions option are displayed. Select the required number of questions by checking the checkbox, which is adjacent to each question. Click on Finalize button to finalize the eligible questions for an online test. The count of the total number of eligible questions is displayed within brackets adjacent to the Number of Questions text box. The staff can enter the number of questions in the Number of Questions option as required. The total points for the online test is mentioned in the Points slot, which is adjacent to the Duration slot. Select the type of questions by clicking on Question Type drop-down menu. You can also add more questions from various topics or subtopics in the same way. Click on the Save icon to save this online test. You can view the new online test in the assessment list.